Hey, what's up you guys? Your girl Damo. I'm back to bring you guys another video. I'm glad you guys can join me for this little video that I have for you guys. So let's just get right into the video because I'm super duper excited about what I picked up. So let's get right into it now. So this weekend was All-Star weekend in Charlotte. So Jordan Brand released a lot of dope pickups. Like a lot of dope releases came out this weekend. So I was lucky enough to actually scoop one pair that I couldn't live without, and this is what's in the box. As you can see, it has the Just Do It tape. So this pickup is definitely from Swoosh. I'm super excited to see what's in this box. So let's get right into the box. I already opened it. I never looked, so I have no idea what they look like in person. I just opened the box just to, you know, speed up time. So again, I caught these from Nike's sneakers app. I actually hit on it, and these are the Air Jordan, hold up, these are the women's Air Jordan 1 UNC Patent leathers. I got them in a size 6.5, what? I got these in a size 7.5, and the retail price on these were actually $160. And if the lighting is like going in and out, I'm trying to use daylight instead of, you know, artificial lighting. So if it's going in and out, it's just because, you know, clouds are going over the sun, what have you. But stick with us, sister. But let's get right into this. These are so fire. Like, these are so fire. Mind you, I maybe own maybe 3 pairs of, maybe 4. I don't know. But I don't own many blue sneakers. I love this color. I just love the patent leather. These are super dope. And in pictures, it looks black in pictures, but these are actually navy. It's like a navy and the soft blue with the white. They're all patent leather uppers. These are super fire. I love the way these look. See? Ooh, perfect. You can definitely see that it's actually navy blue and not black, as, you know, pictures may mislead you to believe. But these are so nice. I love the way these look. Let's get into the inside. They come with the navy laces. Then it has the Nike Air and the blue, light blue colorway. These are super duper cute. Hold on, let me see. So I just looked at the other sneaker. So being that these are a women's release, I would have thought that they would put in the extra shoelaces, but on this pair they haven't. So I guess, you know, it's a no-go. But I think these will look super dope if you may swap out the laces for a pair of white laces. I think they may look fire like that, but I might swap them out if I can find some extra laces. Uh-oh, yikes. I just looked at the shoe and I see that there is a scuff mark on my sneakers. Mind you, I didn't wear these yet. These are like fresh out the box. But there is a scuff mark on them already. It's no biggie, I'll just clean them up, but you know, that's surprising. Usually my sneakers come in pristine condition, but that's okay. But these are what the UNC ones look like. These are super duper pretty. I just love all patent ones. I don't know. They're super dope. Like if it starts raining out of nowhere, you know, sometimes you're caught outside and it's sunny, but then, you know, it'll start raining out of nowhere. These, you won't have any problem wearing them in the rain because they're patent leather. Water will just roll right off of them. So these are super pretty. I love the way these look. Make sure you stick around for my on foot video. It'll be coming up shortly, so stay tuned for that. Can't wait to slip these babies on and see how they look on foot. But I honestly, I love these. Like, these are so pretty. Who would have thought? Navy and the light blue popping. Okay, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment, question, concern, whatever. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So until then, peace out, guys.